Hello! So, we are just taking the dogs out. We're going out for a bit of a walk. And yeah, should be good. We have the rugby in a little bit like a little over an hour and a half, I think, something like that. Plan is, gonna go for a walk in between the rain. Looks glorious behind me. So that way it looks good. And then there is some dark clouds. We've had quite a bit of rain this morning. So yeah, should be alright there. They have gone out once, but we'll get on and see how we go. Cool. Evening. We're about to go out for dinner. We're going to the Wild Kabn Kitchen. It's in the Argyll estate. I'm not going to bring this because it's a nicer meal. It is in a greenhouse outside. They apparently have heating, but it does get chilly. So hence this. I've got a jacket I'm probably going to wear as well, just to warm up. I'm not going to bring my phone, my camera. I'll bring my phone. So we will try and get pictures and stuff of the ambience. But this is our last meal and evening in Scotland. We leave tomorrow. So yeah, been a really good trip. Don't know how much more we're going to show you on the way back. We're going a slightly different way actually, so we will probably show you some stuff thinking about it. But yeah, this is the final night. We'll pick this up tomorrow, but I will show you some dinner as well. Hi! So, that was really good.
Yeah, it's really tasty.
Didn't do much filming because we were just kind of enjoying it. I took pictures of all the food.
Nice communal vibe going.
Yeah, we found out it was the very last one ever.
Yes.
So,
no more supper club.
We would link you to it, but we can't.
No.
So now we're just putting some stuff away so we don't have to do it anymore. These guys are very confused, aren't you?
Yeah, well, we're going to come back and sit in the...
Yeah, because their owners come back at about like 3 a.m. So yeah, good times. So yeah, it was a really good stay. Would happily come here again. Yeah, tomorrow should be fun. Drive home and then go from there. Probably show you a few bits more, but yeah, really good. Still really like Scotland. Hello, good morning. So we are in Luss. We driven an hour, so the house sit is officially over. So yeah, we've driven an hour. We're going to stop here for breakfast on the way. Yeah, just somewhere to stop. Weather's okay today. Right. So, let's go get some breakfast. Breakfast. Hello. So, we'd had some breakfast. It was nice. Now we're going to head to, we're just going to keep driving. I'm going to be driving, so if there's anything interesting, Alex will film on her phone. It's not the nicest of days. It's just a bit meh. But yeah, should be good. Should be, I think we're going to stop at a different services than we stopped at last time, but it's one of the fancy ones that we have around us in the UK. So we're going to stop there, probably get some lunch while we're there, but that's in 2 and a bit hours, like 2.5 hours. So yeah. Hello. Alex is driving now. Stopped and had some lunch at, what was it called? T-Base Services. So a couple of services in the UK owned by the same company, and they're a bit nicer than the typical McDonald's sort of services. They're just farm shops, that sort of thing. Yeah. Alex, we got an hour and 20 minutes to another services just to break it up, and then we've got another hour and a half after that. So we're making good time. The weather's been fairly decent to be fair. But yeah, I'm just going to shut out now.